me to do Sure you go follow me enter fire. Your love the bond, oh. If I put my hand for fire, sure you go follow me to do Sure you go follow me enter fire. I love the bond, oh.
Hey guys, truth be told, I look crazy right now. I don't know how this vlog is going to look. I feel like I just have a whole bunch of clips that I'm putting together, and I'm so sorry for that. I really forgot how to vlog. I've been doing this since Nigeria, so. But hopefully today I can be a little consistent. Today, my friend and I, it's a beautiful day. I don't think it's gonna rain. We're thinking of going to the beach. I love my nails, I really do love it. People here are so good, but this hair is just doing whatever it wants at this point. It's looking old, I feel bad. I think it's just my nonsense edges. Maybe I might need to redo it, but it was really good. I love my ring. This ring looks nice. I'm not gonna mess it up. Yeah, so we're just gonna go relax. I'm gonna get ready. I do owe my friend, like I promise you, when we grow up, you gonna see. He's so amazing, it's scary. See, if you're watching this, I really do love you. This is what you call a good friend. She has her driver to get us to go places. She makes me meet her friends who are super cool. We eat anywhere, get what we want. Like it's like princess treatment. It's really good. I have my own room, shower, bathroom. Like how much better can it get? And then she's worried that like I'm not having fun. Trust me, I'm having fun. This is good. So I'm just gonna get ready for the beach. I don't know what I'm wearing. Actually, I do know what I'm wearing. Today's gonna be pretty chill as well. Maybe tonight I might do something as well, but for now, just beach, relax. She's sitting by her pool. She has a pool, which is so cool. And I'm gonna watch. So yeah, so I will talk to you guys as I go. So I will talk to you guys as I head downstairs. So Jen is coming back on. I am here at the pool side-ish. This could have been low-key be our beach day. What's at the beach that you don't have? Okay, maybe it's people. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill here. Hey, this is a nice area. Just chill here, watch your shows.
Time away, do you have time to date? From it, come your way on the lake.
I'm gonna go swimming. Hey, but I think this one's coming out. This side, right, Cecile? Yeah. Okay, bye guys.
A few moments later.
My hair is wet. I put cream in it, so hopefully that helps. I really want to redo, like, I want to see if I could just redo the whole entire front. So far, such a really good trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. we're finally at the beach. And it's really nice. I went on a horse. I'm about to put that footage in right now. Ordered food, but turns out they don't have the sandwich that I wanted, so that's cool. But yeah, so today's successful. Very successful. I look like a witch, y'all, but it's okay. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. They tried. Gotta try. Gotta try. This is Mr. Aziz. Mr. Aziz in the cut. Guys, so we're gonna go sit down and figure out life next. Bye, guys. Oh, thank you. Beach day done. I went on the horse, so that was great. Now we are heading back home to rest, and then hopefully maybe tonight we'll go out, but we'll see. We're gonna rest, charge my phone, change apparently because this outfit is not good. But it was good. It was a good day. Very good day. Hey guys, I'll talk to you guys when we're back in the house. Bye. Oh, we're back home, and now you're so wicked. We're just gonna stay in, probably watch a movie. I'm just gonna finish up some work, and yeah, so I'm gonna take off this on my face, and then yeah, we'll be chilling. That's what we're dealing with. So I will talk to you guys later. So bye guys, but really good day today. Very good day today. Bye.
The next day.
Hey guys, so this is day, honestly I'm not counting, but today is basically Thursday, and we are going to the spa. Me and Cecile, she's calling to make sure our appointment is not canceled because we did set the time at 1. It's 12:40, so we technically have like 20 minutes to get there. So we're just like, fingers crossed they don't cross it. They don't, you know, take it out, because I really want to do that. And then we're looking at going to like a 5D cinema. I've never heard of that before, so that'd be cool. And then later tonight, dinner, and then that's it. So pretty chill day as usual. So yeah, I'm kind of liking this look I did. And also I need like a refill, because as you guys can see, the lashes are off. I kind of took them off. Like, I kind of like me without lashes anyways, but we'll get some lashes done because it's really convenient. So yeah, and then I'm gonna see if I could also get my eyebrows threaded. I used to remove the extra hair because I feel like it grows fast, and the last time I did that was before we traveled, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see you guys when we get there, and fingers crossed that they don't cancel our appointment and that somehow we're able to still get a massage. Never done that before, so
please, I have an appointment at 1, but I think I'll be a little bit like 10 minutes late. Is that okay?
Cecile, I hope they got the appointment. I'll be so mad.
Thank you. See you
God.
soon.
Okay, we're good. All right, bye guys. Okay guys, so we got to the massage place and we are able to be let in. It's currently 1:18 and the place is called, actually we'll give you a rating on how it is after, but we're thinking of doing like a Swedish massage. So
A few moments later.
Guys, for holiday, basically they booked it for one person, but we told them two. Like, obviously, like, she saw both of us, and now they're trying to fix what they did, because we definitely came here 2 days ago and told them she saw us. So no one's going and coming back. So we're gonna figure that out, and I'll update you guys based on what happens. Okay guys, so they're taking us. I don't know what happened, but we ended up telling them that whatever is in their system was not our fault, because we told them 2 people. So they're taking us. So now we're getting a Swedish massage. Don't know what that is, but it should be good. So I'm excited. I love my jewelry, y'all. My jewelry looks so good. I love jewelry. Hey guys, so I just finished the massage. 8 out of 10. It was really good, especially for like a first time. Just chilling, just finished changing back. I don't know, personally I like me without lashes, but we'll see. Anyways, this is the place. In 5D. It's not like a real movie, but it's like a roller coaster. On the staircase. So nice. They'll go to school together, walk home together. That's nice.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday. I leave at 2 a.m. for my flight that's at 5 a.m. on Saturday. It's currently like 7 o'clock and me and Cecile are awake. Yesterday, let me just give you guys a quick rundown because I don't want to be late. We basically went to go get some dinner at this Italian place, and then afterwards we just like walked around, and then I think that's about it. In the morning we got a massage, as you guys saw, and then after yeah, we went to get dinner. So it was a pretty chill day, pretty packed, good day. Today is now Friday. I just took my shower. As you guys see, all my lashes are gone. I actually don't even have any like natural ones remaining. So I might as well spoil it because they're gonna go back, right? So I also have like lash serums. So I'll just use that. So I'm going to get a new set, classic. Yeah, because it's out, it's gone. And I don't want it to be full because I still want to recognize myself. Like I don't want to be like, who's that, you know? I'm also seeing if I could get like maybe like a bracelet here, like yeah, or whatever they call it, like the days of the week type thing. So we'll see how that goes to see if I can get it. But yeah, so today's plan is looking like I'm just gonna go do the front of my hair because like I shouldn't be having to do my edges every day. Like I just did this hair, and the girls who did it tried. I love it, but I'm gonna do like the whole entire front. I'm gonna have them take the edges. Like I want it to pull at this point. Like I want it to be tight. Okay, no I don't, but I don't want to have to do my edges for a good while, at least a good 3 weeks. So that's what's gonna happen, and then afterwards we're gonna get the lashes, and then I'm gonna come back, hopefully rest, and then we have dinner. I also have to pick up my mother's clothes, so I have to text a woman to ask her what's up with that, like how are we gonna coordinate that, because that's the main thing my mother really wants is her clothes. So I just hope the woman is done. And so yeah, that's pretty much our plan. I'm just gonna go ahead. Cecile's waiting. We're supposed to leave. It's literally 2 minutes to 7. Actually, it's not 7, but it's 2 minutes to 7. So we're kind of right on time. So we're gonna start getting ready. As you guys can see, my story was packed. I gotta read my notifications. But yeah, Ghana is fun. I hope this vlog has been good. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys didn't, I'm about to be so pissed. But anyways, that's about it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Moments later.
Guys, you know how I said all I wanted was the nape of my hair to be done? Y'all, I went in there like, no, let me show you how Ghana does it. So they decided to start taking out all of my braids, and they also gave me an amazing hair wash. And I was like, what the hell? It felt like such like a spa day. Like, it was beautiful. I do have like a few braids in that were from the previous hairstyle that I was like, yeah, just leave it in, because I was like, I just want a quicker process. But this salon was really quick. They had multiple people working on my head, and y'all, I kid you not, within 2 hours I was gone. And this includes the hair wash, the blow drying, and the hair braiding. Like, they are so talented. Did everything all over. They literally washed my hair, blow dried it, everything, and then took it out. Like, they took it out first and then did all that and did my hair all over. Have my face. I'm very happy. They're very good here. So, but nails did, hair did, everything did. Yeah. All right, bye guys. Now we're just waiting for the ride to come pick us up to do our lashes. Yeah, I'm excited. Home of braids. So this is where I did my hair, and then it's like 2 places. This is also hair wash salon, and then hair braids. I highly recommend. They did everything in 2 hours, y'all. Boom, as you guys can see, and it's quite, this is like the price list, and the place is so pretty. Like, let me show you guys the interior.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so me and Cecile did our lashes at this place called Allure Bloom. Look at her, she's walking so fast. Today was a successful day. I actually forgot what we did in the morning, but yeah, so now we're heading to the car. This is so weird holding this thing, but it's now 4:08, so we spent 2 hours in total. I did first and then her. Oh gosh, I don't like holding this thing up. Okay y'all, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in, but clearly I am glammed up now. We're going to go to a dinner for Cecile's family's friend's mother's birthday. So it's a mouthful. But yeah, so I just dressed up. This is what we're working with. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside because we wanted to leave at 6:30. It's currently 6:33. And she keeps saying I'm late. I'm not late. Nope, I'm the earliest one. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and we'll see where the day takes us from there. Actually, the day should not take us anywhere. I need to get my measurements done, collect the clothing, and then pack, put my air tag, get it all ready, charge everything, and then, you know, get ready to go. So that's what today should be looking like. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later though, all right? All right guys, so later on that night we went to this amazing restaurant called Sentoko. It was literally so amazing. Not only was the decor just a glorious sight just to look at, but the food, y'all, was so delicious. Like, I kid you not, I was full, and we just had, I think, like the beginner meal. There's a beautiful chicken teriyaki.
Wait, guys, cheers.
Y'all, as we try to leave, these people literally came up to the car. I don't know what they were asking for. I don't know if it was money, I don't know what it was, but yo, I was a little scared.
I'm a driver.
Sissy, what are we saying? What are we saying? But because my friend and the driver looked like unfazed, I was like, okay, let me just calm down. They know what they're doing. That's crazy.
3 hours later.
And then later that night, we finally came home. I have some like noodles that I was like, I need to bring it. So that's what I packed. But here's some stuff I packed alongside a really nice suitcase, or should I say travel bag, sorry, that I really highly recommend. It is a 4-in-1 travel storage bag, and it can be used on a trolley case or as a crossbody bag. It has so many storage spaces, 2 bottle pockets, and a 4-zipper pocket in total. And it's really amazing. And I really recommend that you guys get it. It is by Simple to Me. So yeah, I also used that and it was really helpful. So here I am just pointing at some stuff that I packed that I did not want to forget. I have my perfume, my clothes, and then also my mother's clothes. So yeah.
The next day.
So the next day at like the AMs, we were on our way to the airport, and I was honestly so sad because Ghana was so fun. I enjoyed my stay. A huge thank you to Cecile and her family for not only accommodation but also travel as well, and so much others. Like, I am so grateful for them. I love them so much. So yeah, here's me with my little trolley and just getting ready to go. At the whatever. Do check-in and hopefully it goes well. So fingers crossed, y'all, that I get a good person and that all of this is good, God willing. But yeah, we're just waiting for now. I'm waiting. My passport's in here, can't miss it. Okay, talk to you guys later. amazing. I will talk to you guys later. But for now, we're about to board. So I'm just waiting for us to go. Prayers, right? Bye guys. Anyways guys, that is it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't, please leave. But thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.